Hello everyone, welcome back to our channel. Are you having a problem with Viber not sending messages? Well, if you are and if you're trying to fix that problem, then you have found the right video. In this video, I'm going to guide you guys on a step-by-step tutorial on how to fix Viber not sending messages. Now, there might be various reasons as to why your Viber is not working properly and not sending messages. The first thing is that you need to see whether the person that you're trying to send the message to has blocked you or not. If the person that you are trying to send message to has blocked you, then no matter what you do, you will not be able to send message to that person. The next thing that you need to consider is your Wi-Fi connection. If your Wi-Fi connection is very poor and if it doesn't meet the requirement for Viber use, then the Viber will not be working properly. The third thing might be because your device is not working properly, so you can try to restart your device in order to use your Viber app in a proper manner. And if all of this doesn't help, then the thing that you can do is clear cache. So in order to clear the cache, you'll have to tap on the Viber app for about seconds, and from here you can tap on the app info icon that is located on the right hand side corner. Once you're on the app info page, here you can see various options. Here you can see on the uses there is mobile data, battery and storage. You can tap on the storage option that is located on the third option, and from here you can tap on the clear cache option that is located on the below. Once you have cleared the cache, this should solve your Viber not sending messages problem. If this still doesn't solve your problem, then the next thing you can do, scroll up and you can see option permissions located on the second option right below notification. And from here you'll have to turn on all the permissions. You can one by one tap on the following permissions and tap on allow. Make sure that all of your permission is turned on. If this still doesn't help your problem, then here you'll have to go back and go to your Play Store and search for your Viber app and see if your app has been updated. If your app is not updated, then the Viber not sending messages problem can be caused by unupdated version of your Viber app. So once you have updated your app and if it still doesn't work, then you can simply uninstall your Viber app and reinstall it. And just like that, that should be a helpful method for you to fix your Viber not sending messages problem. Thank you for staying to the very end of this video. I hope you found our video helpful. If this video was helpful for you, don't forget to leave us a like and subscribe. Have a good day.